we're a biotech company and we're trying to reinvent how we do medicines by, instead of making a medicines in a biotech plant, to basically tell your body to make its own medicine. The mission of Moderna is to make innovative medicine using mRNA.
Our ability to have an mRNA that can program any protein we want in the human body really allows us to address a lot of known diseases. There's all of these innovations that are occurring in our labs, in our production, but our urgency is how can we quickly translate this into therapeutics. Speed and agility are very important, but what's even more important is being able to stay connected and communicate well as a team. What really inspired us to choose Office 365 is we need a solution that allows us to move very quickly. When we have a new partnership and we need to immediately share information, we can provision a SharePoint site, have it be secure through Azure MFA in a single day. That's what creates value. It's also cost effective.
Office 365 brought together familiarity with Microsoft Office products. You then bring in the iPhone and the iPad that so many people already had at home. We're able to deliver the Office 365 environment on native devices that people are used to using. It makes my job easier, and they hit the ground running.
Having platforms where you can place your data in a common area and be able to share across the organization, or as needed with partners, allows us to move very fast and stay very coordinated.
One of the other really exciting things at Moderna is the creation of additional franchises. So we've already created Onkido to focus on our oncology space.
We have new employees starting on a regular basis, and for us to be able to provision your entire email stack, all of your Office tools in your environment. So not only can we move quickly to add new people, we can move quickly to add new companies, in this case a wholly owned subsidiary. One of the things that the MS365 enables is collaboration around the globe. Starting with an IM, and then, an idea comes up, and then, let me share some content with you, and then you can pop up a video. I feel very secure at night knowing that my data is protected in Office 365. What we've been able to do with SharePoint out of the box was deploy an intranet site. We call it My Moderna. People can find things, and then you can download the PowerPoint right into your browser there. One of the things Office 365 has enabled is a foundation. Everything just works, so we can focus on science, on delivering that next generation medicine.
Office 365 is my safety net, and I cannot think how we could operate Moderna without it. I know I have access to everything with me wherever I go. I never worry about technology, and that is extremely enabling because I can focus on what I have to do, which is lead Moderna in making new medicine to impact patients.